Hello everyone, and welcome back. It is morning and I've started the day by making my herbal tea, which I'm going to be sipping on for the rest of the day. I'm starting out by taking a little bit over a teaspoon each of licorice root, echinacea, calendula, chamomile, red clover and elderberries. All of these herbs have got fantastic immune boosting properties, as well as being anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial as well. So going into winter here in Australia, it's the perfect tea. I'm adding all the herbs into about 1 litre or 4 cups of water. Bring it to the boil and let it steep for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and then let it sit for at least 20 minutes before you have your first cup. Pour all the remaining contents into a jug and let it sit for the rest of the day, just drinking a cup here and there as you want to. For my breakfast, I decided to have a smoothie. I posted a very similar recipe to this before on my channel, so I will link that below. The only difference was I took out the almonds and I put peanut butter in instead. Because it was a Sunday morning, I decided to make some nice fresh bread rolls for lunch. Now you guys haven't seen this Thermomix in use in my channel before, but I've actually had this for quite a long time. It's just a newer model of the one I've been using. Inside I've got some water and yeast. I've got this base recipe up on my channel already, so I will link that one below. I've just done some substitutes and added in some wholemeal flour and some rye flour as well. I do this by taking out about 200 grams of the plain flour that I use and just add in the wholemeal and the rye instead. I also ended up adding in a little bit of hemp seed for some added protein as well. Now seriously, is there anything that's remotely close to butter on a fresh hot bread roll? I don't think so. dinner today, we are just doing a very easy barbecue, and I'm going to make some potato salad. So I've got some small kestrel potatoes and I'm going to steam them in here in my Thermomix for a bit over 20 minutes. I've just got about 2 cups of water down the bottom. So I'm just going to peel and quarter or halve my potatoes depending on their size. As I've already used up all of my own spring onions, I had to buy some from the shops, but here is a good little trick you can use. If your spring onions still have some roots down the bottom, cut them off, leaving a little bit of the white, place them in water overnight and then plant them out, and you're going to get brand new spring onions growing nice and quickly. And here is my dinner already. I ended up adding in a little green salad on the side, and we barbecued up the topside steak that we bought last weekend from Costco that we just had marinated in the freezer. Quick and easy dinner done in about half an hour. Thank you so much for coming along on my little day of foods today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again next time.